everyone. So today is very exciting. It kind of felt like Christmas because I got a really cool press package. Can I get a drum roll? Faceware Pro from Dr. Dennis Gross. So if you guys want to see me unbox this very high-end, beautiful face mask that promises to fight fine lines, wrinkles, and acne with LED light technology, then just keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Jessica. I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. So if any of those things are something that you're into, you probably want to hit that subscribe button because you are going to like my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it informational or helpful in any way. And also make sure to find me on Instagram. I will put it right up here. The reason why is I actually have been sharing on my Instagram stories sort of my journey with my use of their actual skincare products on my stories. So those are like kind of fun things that you can get if you follow me on Instagram, because you will see me using things in real time on my stories, as well as the fabulous photos that I post on my feed. But today I am doing a little unboxing and sort of intro to this beauty device that I just received today from Dr. Dennis Gross. If you're not familiar with Dr. Dennis Gross, it is a skincare brand that is based out of New York City. It was started by Dr. Dennis Gross. It is an award-winning skincare line. Dr. Dennis Gross has a practice in New York City where you can actually go in, get facial treatments and different skincare related procedures. And he has been recognized in New York Magazine's Best Doctors for his work in his field. He is legit. His products are legit. I have another video coming very soon about the full skincare line that I've been using from him over the past couple months. They previously sent me the full shebang, a full on line of everything that I need for my personal skincare concerns and needs, put together by one of their estheticians. I basically had a facial with them in Beverly Hills last spring, and she put that together for me and sent it over. So I did the intro video to that quite a while ago, where I unbox everything and talk about all the different products that they recommended for me. So I will have that up soon, but I wanted to unbox this because I just got it. You might be wondering, what's the hype? Why is Jessica so excited about this? And if you know what this is, then you know why I'm excited about it. It is essentially an FDA-cleared blue and red light device that is used to treat acne, fine lines, and wrinkles. It retails for $435. So this is definitely not an impulse buy, it's an investment. Here is why I really wanted it. So let's rewind back to last April when I had this facial appointment with one of their estheticians. I came in and she started doing all the procedures on me, and of course, like my burning question for any skincare professional is about Botox, because I'm about at that age. I'm 31 and I'm starting to see little things happening around my mouth that I'm not super excited about. It's really the only place where I personally feel like I have a huge problem at the moment, but we all know age happens to the best of us, and so other things will start to happen as well. So I really wanted to know about Botox from her. She showed me a picture of herself when she was 31 that she had on her phone, and she was 36 at the time. She's like, okay, this is what I looked like when I was 31, before I started working for Dr. Dennis Gross, before I started doing the treatments that he had. And I was on a waiting list to get Botox from him for a while, and I was set on it. But then when I went in for my consultation, he told me to try this instead, and told me that I would not want Botox after using this. Okay, now bear in mind, I was at this facial appointment as an influencer and blogger, so I didn't really feel like she was telling me this story to sort of sell me on it, because they were already gifting me this facial. They were already gifting me the face products for me to use after the facial was over. So I didn't feel like she was trying to sell me on this device, because again, like I said, I wasn't there to purchase anything. I was there to help promote the brand. So I was intrigued. That is why I would love to try this, because if it's true, think about how much Botox costs, right? Think about it. And once you start getting it, you have to keep getting it. Now this is $435. That might sound like a chunk of change, but if it does what she says that it does, then it's completely worth it. Okay? You see where I'm going with this? Okay, let's open this up and see what it's like and talk about it some more. Oh, I'm gonna hurt my press-on nails. There we go. This is what you see when you open the box. It's sort of like a welcome to Spectralite Faceware Pro. It tells you everything that's in there, basic safety information, device overview, instructions, you know, like the normal sort of little thing that you get when you get a device. And here's some more instructions on how to use it. Look at how pretty it is though. I mean, it looks kind of crazy, like it looks like a superhero mask, but it's really kind of pretty. I'm just going to show you really quick what else we have in here. So we've got a micro USB cable to charge it. It comes with a flip cover to keep it in when you are not using it. And I believe this is like the strap thing that you attach to it and then you tighten it to your head. I have to just attach it. Yeah, it attaches basically in here like so. Here's the mask. Here is the other side. So you can see all those lights in there all over your face. And you just pop it on, tighten up the back. Wow. It really is something. I'm going to take this off for now because I have makeup on. You might be wondering how this works. So it says, when it comes to safety and efficacy for LED masks, the most important differentiating factor is design. The patented design of Dr. Dennis Gross's FDA-cleared Spectralite Faceware Pro mask uniquely lies directly on top of the skin and conforms to all contours of the face to treat yours in minutes with zero downtime. A combination of 100 LED red lights and 62 LED blue lights work together to smooth the look of wrinkles, give skin a firmer appearance, diminish discoloration, and diminish the look of blemishes for a flawless, youthful complexion. Choose from 3 treatment options: red light therapy, blue light therapy, and red light and blue light therapy. LED red lights support the natural production of collagen and elastin to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, sunspots, sun damage, and redness, while LED blue light targets bacteria and prevents future breakouts. Together, dual LED red and blue lights target the look of wrinkles and blemishes at the same time. It says in a 10-week daily use clinical study, 97% of subjects showed improvement in fine lines, wrinkles, and skin tone. We're going to use this and we're going to see. Night after I wash my face, I'm going to come back and I'm going to try this with you guys and demo it so that you can see how it works. So essentially, in a nutshell, is you're supposed to use this 3 minutes per day. So it has 3 different settings. It has the red light setting, which is for the anti-aging, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, all that stuff. It has the blue light, which is for acne. And then it has a combination of the blue and red if you want to work on both things. So that's really cool. Like if you have acne problems, but also you have anti-aging concerns, you can do them both at the same time, which is awesome. So this is actually like a great device, like really no matter what age you are, because if you're a teenager and you have bad acne and that you're struggling with, or even adult acne, or you know, when you start to get older and you have fine lines and all that, like sunspots and aging situations that you want to take care of, this is good for both spectrums. So I'm interested. I'm definitely going to be trying this every night. I'm going to use it every night for 3 minutes. I also really want to try it to make my husband use it at least a couple times a week, as much as I can, to see, because I really want to see what it does for him too, because he's 10 years older than me, so I think maybe doing it on him would show a little bit more. So we'll see if I can convince him to be my guinea pig as well. After I use this for 6 weeks or so, I'm going to come back and do a follow-up video. So make sure that you subscribe, because if you're not subscribed and you don't have the notification bell on, you're not going to know when I post that follow-up video to know how I liked it. I'm going to roll it forward to later on tonight when I have a clean face, and we're going to demo this for you guys, and then we'll wrap this video up. All right, let's do this. So my face is all clean. I've only cleansed it so far because you do this basically right after you wash your face, and then you just hold this down. Woo! That is the red light. I just sit here for 3 minutes. I don't have to sit here. I could walk around. I could do whatever I want. But yeah, so this is gonna work its magic now, I guess. This is actually kind of scary, you know? Like it is kind of scary looking. Whew. I have to say I like the fact that it's a mask that attaches to your face and, you know, you can tighten it, because I had a similar red light lamp thing that was meant to do sort of the same thing that this one does, but it's like a lamp, so you have to like lay underneath it, and I just didn't use it very much because I just never like laid down and did it. it just was too much of a hassle. And to like position it like right above your face, and then you have to wear these little goggles that they would give you when you go to like a tanning bed back in the day. I mean, I hope none of you guys are going to tanning beds nowadays, but you had to wear those little goggles to protect your eyes from the red light. And this is nice because you can just kind of go about your life. You can like put it on, and then for the 3 minutes that the treatment is going, you can be, you know, doing things around your house if you need to or whatever. Oh, that's it. Well, that's night 1 of 6 weeks. So I'm going to go finish with the rest of my skincare. I'm going to do my serum and my moisturizer and all that jazz because that's the next step. And I will be continuing to do this each night. And I'll check back with you guys in a little while. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed this little unboxing and demo of this beautiful facial tool. Stay tuned. Like I said, there will be a follow-up video in a couple weeks where I'm going to show you guys how this worked and my feelings on its effectiveness. Also, much sooner than that video, I will have a video with my other Dr. Dennis Gross products that I've been using. Awesome skincare that I've been trying out so far already with Dr. Dennis Gross, and my thoughts and feelings on those as well. So a lot of awesome skincare and anti-aging content coming up for you guys. So hit that subscribe button. You'll thank me later. Yeah, thank you so much if you are to the end of this video. I really appreciate you sticking around. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried anything like this, or if you've ever done like a light therapy for any of your skin concerns. I would be really curious to hear about it, and I will see you guys all on my next video. All right, bye guys.